If your mortgage payments are giving you nightmares, you're not alone. Here's some good news. The Bank of Canada has lowered its key interest rate to 4.25% for the third time in a row. What does this mean for you? Lower interest rates could make borrowing cheaper, especially if you're looking to buy a home or refinance your mortgage. Governor Tiff Macklem mentioned that high housing costs are pushing inflation up, even as the economy slows down. This rate cut aims to strike a balance, helping to stimulate economic growth without letting inflation fall too low. Economists predict more rate cuts might be on the horizon if the economy doesn't pick up. This could mean further relief for home buyers and a potential boost in the housing market. Following this announcement, major Canadian banks have already lowered their prime lending rate. And the Toronto Stock Exchange? It's showing optimism with a slight increase in value. So if you're in the market for a new home or thinking about refinancing, now might be a good time to take action. Stay informed and happy house hunting.